After replacing the parking switch assembly, the firmware must be updated using the diagnostic tool. Remove the batteries from the mower. Release the brake pedal from the braking position. Use a 13mm socket wrench to loosen the 2 bolts on top of the front frame. Use a T30 bit to loosen the 2 screws in front of the front frame assembly. Press the brake pedal. Use a 13mm socket wrench to loosen the 3 bolts and nuts from the bottom of the front frame. Remove the front frame from the mower. Remove the cotter pin and connecting rod. Adjust the deck height to the lowest position. Unplug the parking brake connector. Release the parking wiring harness cable tie from the frame. Use a 13mm socket wrench to loosen the 3 bolts that fasten the parking brake assembly, then remove it. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 4 screws that fasten the switch box, then remove and replace the switch assembly harness. Place the new switch assembly harness in the pocket inside the switch box. Then trap the wires. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 4 screws that fasten the switch box. The recommended torque is 0.7 to 0.8 Nm or 6 to 7 inch-pounds. Insert the switch assembly harness into the traps. Place the new brake assembly in the correct position on the frame. Use a 13mm socket wrench to tighten the 3 bolts and nuts to fasten the brake assembly on the frame. The recommended torque is 13 to 14 Nm or 9.5 to 10.5 foot-pounds. Insert the front connecting rod into the pin of the brake assembly and then secure it with the cotter pin. Secure the parking harness on the frame with the cable tie and plug the parking switch connector in. Place the front frame in the correct position on the front. Use a T30 bit to tighten the 2 screws in front of the front frame. The recommended torque is 7 to 8 Nm or 5 to 6 foot-pounds. Use a 13mm socket wrench to tighten the 3 bolts and nuts from the bottom of the mower body. The recommended torque is 13 to 14 Nm or 9.5 to 10.5 foot-pounds. Then tighten the 2 bolts at the top on both sides. The recommended torque is 17 to 18 Nm or 12.5 to 13.5 foot-pounds.